A really good way to generate ideas for a company or companies you might want to look into is to look at supply chain. And very often when I'm generating ideas, that's what I'll do. I'll look to see who is supplying to Apple. So if I can see that they've had some good sales surprises to the upside, looking at the people feeding into them, such as Honhei Precision. Do you know who they are? They are one of the largest suppliers, not just to Apple, but to Microsoft as well. Well, it might be worth looking at them, or Foxconn, or anything else which has turned up green as well. We can take it to the next level. That's still going to be a company which is very well known. What about Hirata Corporation then, a supplier to a supplier of Apple? But again, that only gives me an idea generation. As I keep saying to these things, it might then lead me on to yet another supplier, and we can analyze down and lower and lower and lower, and see also gives you some ideas about where the failures might lie with some of these companies. But nevertheless, it gives me an idea of companies to investigate further. Supply chain analysis, that's what it is.